In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set independent corner radius in Figma. If you've ever wanted a rectangle or frame with different amounts of rounding on each corner, this is exactly how to do it. We'll use the controls in the right sidebar and also a quick on-canvas method so you can choose whichever feels faster in your workflow. Start by selecting the shape you want to edit. Click once on a rectangle or a frame on your canvas so it's highlighted. Independent corner radius is supported on rectangles and frames. Keep in mind that things like lines or arrows don't use this feature in the basic corner radius panel, so make sure you're working with the right kind of object. With your shape selected, look over to the right sidebar under the Design tab. Find the Corner Radius section. You'll see a field for the corner radius value and a small icon next to it. That icon is your key to switching from a single radius to 4 independent values. Click the independent corners icon. It typically looks like a small square showing 4 values or linked corner dots. Once you click it, the panel expands to reveal 4 separate inputs labeled top left, top right, and bottom left. This means each corner can now be controlled on its own. Enter the values you want for each corner. For example, you could set top left to 24, top right to 8, bottom right to 16, and bottom left to 0. As you type, you'll see the shape update in real time. You can press Tab to move between fields quickly, use the arrow keys to nudge values by 1 pixel, and hold Shift while pressing the arrows to nudge by 10. Decimals are supported if you need very precise rounding. If a value seems too large, Figma will cap it based on the shape's size, so corners don't overlap. There's also a quick on-canvas method when you only need to adjust one corner. With the shape selected, hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. Hover directly over the corner you want to change until a small radius handle appears. Drag that handle inward or outward to set that corner's radius without affecting the others. Zoom in if the handle is small, and watch the tooltip for the exact value as you drag. If you want to go back to a uniform radius later, click the independent corners icon again and enter a single value. That's all there is to it. With these tools, you can create polished, asymmetric corners that better match your design's personality and layout.